A device that claims to strengthen your pelvic floor, reduce bladder leaks, and restore confidence in just minutes a day. That's the promise behind SculptHer Pelvic Restore. But is it real therapy or just clever marketing? So the device uses an electrical muscle stimulation (EMS) to trigger contractions in the pelvic floor muscles. The idea is that these pulses can activate muscles that are hard to train with regular Kegel exercises, helping improve strength and bladder control. The company even claims a short session can stimulate thousands of Kegel contractions automatically. There is some real science behind the concept. EMS technology is used in some medical pelvic floor therapy devices to help stimulate and strengthen muscles during rehabilitation. So, in theory, electrical stimulation can help train pelvic muscles if used correctly. However, several red flags appear with this specific product. Many customer reviews report missing orders, poor customer service, or devices not working properly. Some buyers say the product felt cheap or ineffective after paying over $100. The site also makes very strong claims about results within weeks, which may not happen for everyone. Pelvic floor therapy usually requires consistent training or professional guidance, not a quick fix. So is Sculpt Pelvic Restore real therapy? The technology itself isn't fake. EMS can help stimulate muscles, but the marketing claims and customer complaints make this product look risky. The bottom line, SculptHer Pelvic Restore may work similarly with other pelvic training devices, but the promises of fast results are likely exaggerated, and buyer caution is advised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.